Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, may I just talk to you and submit my comments for the record along with a number of letters from the people in the area affected?
Without objection, your comments will be put in the record.
Madam Chairman, we have an area west of West Palm Beach in Palm Beach County, Florida, called the Acreage. It is a residential area that has a rural character. There have been a number of children diagnosed with cancerous tumors, and all live within a radius of a couple of miles of each other. Naturally, the consternation of not knowing if this is a cancer cluster has disrupted the lives of thousands of people who live in this area, because now, with the fact that it might be a cancer cluster, you know what's happened to the values of homes, and you know what's happened to the ability to sell your home if someone has to move. With the fact that some people who are so fearful that this is a cancer cluster have moved out and are renting elsewhere in the city, in the county, while still maintaining the mortgage of their home in this particular area. This is an upscale area. It is on well water, and in this part of Florida, these are shallow wells, and they are on septic tanks. And so the question is, what is the cause? So a year ago, when this came to my attention, I went to the Florida Department of Health. A part of them is the county health department. They are the appropriate ones to get in and try to determine if this is a health hazard. And for almost a year now, they have been studying this, and they can't come up with any conclusions. And so I am asking this committee, and thank the good Lord that you've got a committee that is concerned that there might be these cancer clusters around the country. I'm asking this committee to bring the full weight of the expertise of the federal government to assist the first responders, which are the state departments of health, in determining if these are cancer clusters, and if so, what we can do about it. And that means reaching out to the expertise of the EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency, as well as the Department of HHS, and all of its myriad of agencies, including the CDC, the NCI, the NIH, etc. Now, that's what we need, because these people are in a terrible situation, fearful for their health, but at the same time, because of no conclusions, paying a terrible price in not being able to move on with their lives. In the testimony that I have submitted and some of the letters I've submitted, I have chronicled the specific cases of children that had these brain tumors. Now, is this something from the soil? Is it something from the shallow wells of the water? Is it particularly because children are ones that get out and play in the dirt and crawl around on the floor and play in the puddles? We don't know. And we need to help bring about a resolution of information and conclusions. Thank you, Madam Chair.